Hello everyone, welcome to our new video today. On my right hand, this is soy milk makers, countertop ceilings, and let me give you the overall dimensions first. For the units lengths, they are about like 13.5 inches long. And the depth is almost about like 11 inches deep. And the overall height of the unit is about like 16 inches tall. So the units we can see they're made by stainless steels, and from the manufacturers they offer the standard 110 plugs, and for here they have the soy milk drinks. You can handling a pot or a spin any like a containers here to get all the soy milks getting from here, and also that they have a sticks. You can just give pressures for these soils and push inside to making goes everything no waste. And we can take a look closer to see the inner side dimensions. So when we're looking the closers, we open this one. They have two lockers on the side. And we remove the top. We can see they have a container and the filters, and all the spins is from these positions. And they do have two screws to secure this pan at these positions. And for the dimensions, inner size about like almost like 8 inches, and the depth is only 3 inches. So when we're looking the front, we can see they do have power switchers at these positions, and on the other side behind, these emergency buttons, black buttons right here. And this will be the all demonstration information about the products. If you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.